The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Seismologists predict that several earthquakes will affect the state of Alaska. It is not known what the highest magnitude of the 12 earthquakes will be, but residents in the state of Alaska are requested to stay indoors at this time. In the event that an earthquake does occur, shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Seismic tremors are being reported all over the state of Alaska. At this time, all earthquakes have measured under 2.5, the largest being a 2.4. However, larger earthquakes are expected in the coming hours. Also, with larger earthquakes, aftershocks will be extremely likely a couple hours after the actual quake. Aftershocks are not expected to be as large as the original quake, but may still cause damage close to the original earthquake, by all means necessary. It is highly recommended that, at this time, you shelter in place. It is also recommended that you stay tuned to local stations for further information on these seismic tremors.
We have breaking news. A 4.5 earthquake has been felt in northwestern Alaska. Multiple earthquakes have been recorded around Alaska as of now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. 741 earthquakes have been reported all around the state of Alaska. As of right now, the largest earthquake has measured a 4.5 in northern Alaska. Geologists predict that a large earthquake can be expected by the end of the day. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Alaska National Guard. Over 8,940 earthquakes have been reported within the past 10 hours. As of now, the highest earthquake has measured at a 7.2, and there have been 7,418 injuries and 94 fatalities. Geologists fear that if there is a 10,000th earthquake, it will definitely be the biggest of them all. Stay tuned to this channel for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. The 10,000th earthquake of the day has hit Alaska. This earthquake has measured as a 9.4 moment on the Richter scale. It is believed that this earthquake has been caused by tremors in the Atlantic Ocean. Residents are ordered to immediately shelter in place, as this was a powerful earthquake. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the National Weather Service. Due to the possibility of a tsunami, a voluntary evacuation has been ordered for residents within 5 miles of the coastal areas of southern Alaska. This affects the following boroughs and census regions: Aleutians, Keeney, Yakutat, Sitka, Prince of Wales, and Ketchikan. If you live within 5 miles of the coast in these areas, consider evacuating. Otherwise, shelter in place. Stay tuned for more information. tsunami warning has been issued for all coastal areas of Alaska until further notice. At 10:43 a.m., a tsunami was confirmed by the United States Geological Survey. This tsunami was located around 100 miles off the southern Alaskan coast. Areas on the southern Alaskan coast will be affected. Residents within 10 miles of the southern Alaskan coastline are now under mandatory evacuation at this time. Wave heights cannot be predicted at this time. However, geologists believe they will reach as high as 100 feet. Residents are asked to stay tuned to local media for further updates.